So my camera battery is dying, so I'll make that one pretty quick. So Jamaica have new area code, and this is what they have to say about it. Jamaica has an additional area code, which is 658. The Office of Utilities Regulation says come May 31st, 2018, 10-digit will become mandatory for local calls, that the 3-digit area code plus a 7-digit number. At present, callers do not have to dial the area code when locals call. At present, callers do not have to dial the area code when making local calls. This new code will be used in addition to and not as a replacement for the existing 876 area code, said our Director General Anastee Hewitt. It will be used once the existing telephone numbers on the 876 area code are exhausted. However, the most immediate and important change will be the introduction of the 10-digit calling or the 10-digit dialing for local telephone calls come May 31st. The hour says that additional area code will ensure that there are sufficient numbers to meet the demand over the next 25 years. Under the Telecommunications Act, the hour has full or responsibilities for the allocation assignment to service providers and the under the Telecommunications Act, the hour has full responsibility for allocation, assignments to service providers and usage of telecommunication numbers in Jamaica. Now, the 10-digit dialing will not increase telephone charges. The introduction of the 10-digit dial will not mean anyone has to change existing telephone numbers. So you don't have to change the telephone number, and it's not going to cost you anything. Jamaica's 876 area code was assigned in 1996, so a few years ago, over 20 years ago. And our population has fastly grown. So at December 2009, we have 6.25 million of the assumed capacity of the 7.73 million numbers had been assigned. So they are basically making way to have more numbers for people to use in Jamaica, because they have maxed out the capacity for the 876 number. For all the people them know where they overseas, where they hide from their family members, just get a new phone or a new telephone number. Catch them. You know how Jamaican people have called foreign and beg them money, and the foreigner always they hide them. They always tell them, say, oh, we did their work and blah blah blah. But when you call them on a new area code, they don't have no reason to pick up, because them now gonna know. Most of them not even they know half of what they got in Jamaica. They make sure they not gonna know, so we have new area code. So comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about the new area code, because I hear some people that talk, say how the only reason why we're getting a new area code is because Jamaica's relationship with the United States and the FBI and all that, and the FBI want to track our conversations because of the scam of them, and I think that is a part of it to a certain extent. I feel like they want to get the scamming under control in Jamaica, so, and the FBI is already in Jamaica, so you can expect that your phones are being tapped and all that, especially if you're in a scamming. Just know so they listen and then just wait for the appointed time to snatch your ass up and extradite you to the US. But I feel like that's a part of it why they're giving us a new area code. But I also feel like another part of it is because Jamaica's population is getting so big, and they can only give out certain amount of numbers with the 876 area code, and that just happened normally. Even in the United States, they have different area codes for different cities. So Jamaica is growing, our people are multiplying, our population is getting bigger, so that means we need new area codes. So comment in the comment section. Tell me what you guys think about Jamaica getting a new area code. Tell me if you think that because the CIA or the FBI want to spy on Jamaican people and then just set you up that way, or you think it's actually because Jamaica's population is growing and our people are multiplying and they need more numbers to give to Jamaican customers to service them. So with that, all that being said, Jamaica to grow. More people, more runners. We need more jobs. We need a stable economy. We need all of that. Okay, because the more we multiply, the more things we need. And I made a video on how Jamaica can actually create a stable economy, and in detail, in depth, explaining it. So it's gonna be here in this video, or here. It's gonna be over here. That's gonna be the previous video. And then check out our vlog channel, BRAINS&THEBEAT TV, here on YouTube with me and SoFlo TV. And don't forget to like, comment, share on Facebook, share wherever you share videos. Like, subscribe, stick around, because you know you're gonna see more videos of me. Or if you want to see more videos of me, subscribe, hit that bell at the bottom to get notified when I upload. All the tea is gonna be spilled on this channel. So I'm out of here, man. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, Brains and the Beat, here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.